Are you looking to save your favorite Pinterest videos for offline viewing? Well, you came to the right place in this comprehensive tutorial. We'll show you exactly how to download Pinterest videos effortlessly. The process is absolutely Step 1. Open Pinterest mobile app, the same for both iOS and Android devices. And the first step that we will do is to open the Pinterest mobile app on our device. And now we want to go over to a video which we want to download. I want to download this video. I have to open it until it goes full screen. You'll need to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and this menu will pop up. Click on this copy link option right here. Step 2. Open Pinterest Downloader. And once we get our video link, we'll exit the Pinterest app and open any web browser of your choice. You can type Pinterest Video Downloader in the URL bar or in Google, and we'll open a website called Pinterest Downloader. Paste the link that we've copied and then tap on the download button. Now scroll a little bit down and click on this Force Download button, and that's going to download our Pinterest video in the photo gallery. But that's about it, everyone. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.